Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to adjust the sound volume on your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. To do that, you have to open the Control Center in the bottom right corner of your screen, and then move this bar to the right to increase your sound volume, and to the left to decrease it. Besides, you can also use the function keys of your laptop. This one will increase your speaker sound, this one decreases it, and this one will mute your speaker. In order to unmute it using function keys, press the sound increasing key. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.